In this video, I'm going to show you how to embroider the fly stitch. So to give you some examples, this little sprig here is stitched with the fly stitch in green, and also this leaf down here. So you can see how these little branches are packed a little more tightly together than they are up here. So you can get some different looks with the fly stitch. So we'll get started. I have a little sprig drawn here, and we are going to come up at the bottom on the left, and then we're going to go down on the right. So you want to be straight across from where you came up, and you're going to put the tip of the needle down, and then you're going to bring it up at the bottom. So basically we're going to be creating a little V, and where you come up is the bottom of the V. So we're going to pull that through, and as you can see, I'm sort of catching that long stitch with the thread at the bottom. So that creates our V. So then you're going to make a little anchor stitch by stitching down. And that is your first fly stitch. So we'll do the next one. We'll move up here, and we'll come up again, exactly what we did before, up on the left, straight away across. We'll go down on the right, and then the tip of the needle will come here in the middle on that stem line. And then you'll pull that through. Your floss will catch that long stitch, and then this time our anchor stitch is going to be longer because I made this separate little V further away from the first one. So my anchor stitch will be long, and then we'll come up on the left, and my spacing is kind of exaggerated here just to demonstrate. And then we'll go straight across, down on the right, up on the center, pull that through, catching our stitch, and then coming back to the center to anchor that. And then our last little stitch here is just a straight stitch at the end to make the end of our little branch. And that's how you do the fly stitch.